Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. In this Lexington Law Credit Repair review, we'll dive deep into the services offered, explore who can benefit most, and share my personal experience using the platform. Find helpful links to Lexington Law in the description below. Lexington Law is a reputable credit repair firm providing tailored services designed to boost credit scores. They achieve this by challenging inaccuracies found on credit reports. Their services are ideal for individuals needing professional guidance in credit repair, especially those struggling with incorrect or outdated information on their credit reports. Whether a low credit score, recent financial difficulties, or reporting errors are holding you back, Lexington Law is designed to guide you through the credit repair process and help you regain financial stability. A key strength of Lexington Law is its comprehensive approach to credit repair. The company creates a personalized plan for each client, encompassing credit analysis, drafting dispute letters, and directly communicating with credit bureaus to address discrepancies. They also provide continuous monitoring and support, essential for maintaining a healthy credit profile. Furthermore, their team of experts manages the entire process, making it a convenient solution for those lacking the time or expertise to handle credit repair themselves. While Lexington Law offers a highly professional and effective service, it's important to note the cost. Depending on the chosen plan, it can be a more expensive option compared to other credit repair services. However, for those seeking expert assistance and a demonstrated history of success, the investment may be worthwhile. To summarize, Lexington Law is an excellent choice for anyone seeking professional, hands-on credit repair assistance. If you prefer to have experts manage the process and are willing to invest in premium services, this could be the right solution for you. Click the links in the description to learn more and begin your journey toward credit repair today.